I could do like a couple basic files.
Here is the CNC machine, Freedom 10. Freedom 10. Here are the spools. There's also a system that sucks out, I guess, the soot or the debris and gets connected to this. This is the computer system over here. And as I said, we have not used it since we had it installed. Over here, I can give you, I can find this. This is the information on it here. It's a little bit dusty, but we have not used it since we got it. Here is the information on that. Here's the components over here, back view over here. The brush system, and again, this is the I guess the suction element that goes to this over here that also comes, we're offering with the CNC machine. And I know that that by itself is quite spendy. I know we had to buy that extra. And we have all the spools as well. I believe we have all of these things over here to change spools and the things that are necessary. So it's a fairly large machine, and hopefully that helps.